And we're in Turbocad Professional V15.2, and this is a little racing sulky I designed. The chassis parts are made by sending a profile along a path. In this case it would just be an ordinary circle along a path line that I've defined there. We'll just have a look in hidden line mode. And today just wanted to cover a bit about properties and the different looks. I think we'll pop her into a render there and see what we've got. I rather like them green rims, and I'm just going to it's made out of a Taurus is the tyre, so I'm just going to have a look at its properties in the under the 3D tab there. It's a green plastics. Just have a look what else we've got down here. Plain red's no good on the red wheels and red frames. I'm just going to, for an example, show you. White wall tyres are big in America, so and we can just change its properties at a glance. Massive amount of plain blue. Massive amount of options in Turbocad's properties, and I think I like that blue. Another Taurus. And the properties, 3D tab, plastics green, plain red, plain blue. So there we are on blue rims. The backboard, that isn't the board, that's the frame that's holding it. The part there. Not sure what will happen here because these have all these corners have been filleted, so checkers, ceramic, brown ceramic, blue marble, solid polka. Well, undo that, don't like the look of that. It's once let me just pop into the standard toolbar, zoom you in on the corner so I can show you what I'm talking about. Whereas normally the edge would be square, 90 degree, I've chamfered all these off to give a textile appearance, and sometimes properties can't deal with that because the drawing's been altered so radical, and we're at cosmetic stage now. Pop back out. Something I don't think I've done much about is the open window mode, where we drag this box. It's now selected the two front yokes there, so we just pop into 3D, paint band, red paint. As I've said before, I'm the world's worst for doing my paints and not saving them. That's an orange, and I'm going to pop a yellow on that. And it may be yeah, it probably didn't have hold of that little cone there, so it didn't alter its properties. Back into 3D, paint band, red paint. Obviously I was using the orange. Very bad housekeeping habits of mine. And we see the frames now partially yellow. I'm just going to grab hold of that. Look to the drawing centre here. And go on the standard toolbar. so we can see. Not sure what the overall effect of a gold frame would do. A quick reverse method. Undo, modify, undo, modify, undo, modify, and there's our red frame back up. Just pop it into isometric mode. Few different views, and it's full photorealistic rendering going on now. And not much else I can show you with that. We've got one green and one blue. That's because I went back too far undoing. Plain red. Just cancel that. Plain blue. Okay. That's because when I was undoing I went one step too far back. And some various views. So you can alter the properties to virtually anything you want. There's plastics. This is a checker, like a checker pattern, and we could just open window the whole thing. That will select every part in the drawing, make it all one colour, for instance. And no, I wondered if I'd the only thing that I hadn't done on this drawing was put some footrests in until I got some measurements off the jockey. So there you have it, properties. Virtually any property you want. And I'm just going to pop into properties again and just if I drop this drop down menu now, you'll see virtually bricks, circuit boards, decoration, eco-friendly, glass, nick, lacquer, leather, metals, literally, and obviously under each subcategory 1,000 different combinations, plank length, plank width, strips. You can change the groove colour there to a dark, the actual wood colour, the ring colours, absolutely amazing possibilities. And it's one of those things that you've just got to play around with, his properties. I mean, there's endless possibilities in there. So that's today's properties.